Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical piece design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay. So select the top plane, sketch, go to the center rectangle like this, smart dimension, this dimension is 76 and this dimension is 76. Go to the feature, extrude base up to 72. Okay, so select this portion again, sketch, draw a center rectangle again, go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 50 and this dimension is 50. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through all. Okay, top plane again, sketch, so select the line like this and we have to make a curve like this and okay, so select this line and make it horizontal. Select the line again to make it fit. Go to the smart dimension, the distance from here to this end is 56. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base, extrude up to 18 and this is my result. Okay, select the right plane, sketch, select the line from top up to here, something like this. The smart dimension, the distance from this end to this end is 4. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base, up to 22 and blind into mid plane. So select this portion, sketch, draw a circle, smart dimension and this circle is 25 dia and the distance from the top is 36 and the distance from the side is 38. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, so blind into through all. Okay, so 3D model is ready. So go to the appearances, so we use the plastic and this time we will use yellow again. So our 3D model is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. You will get a lot of tutorial regarding the 3D designing and modeling. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.